Hello, I'm Chris Karen, and this is the experiment named HOT. Very good name. Since we're doing science, need to get the specs on here. So, the purpose of this is to discover that the flow of electrons generates heat. So, we need our materials. One pair of scissors, one ruler, a sheet of aluminum foil, I get mine pre-cut because I'm cool, and one battery, AA. Now, if you're like me and have a brother who plays a lot of video games, I'm sure he won't mind if you just steal a battery from his controller. So, now, the first thing to do is to cut a strip of the aluminum foil that's 6 inches by 1 inch. I don't get them pre-cut into that size, so that's where the scissors and the ruler comes in. So we're going to angle this down here so you can see my nice pre-cut piece of foil. I'm going to sit here. You don't get to see my face for this, but you do get to see my hands, so let's see. This is inches? That is not inches, so we're going to go with the centimeter side. We can do that too, because that's 15 centimeters by 2.5 centimeters. We'll do the 2.5 first. And I don't have anything to mark it with, but I do have scissors, so we're going to put a little notch right there. And also, we need 15 centimeters, so that's right here. And we're going to make our little notch with the scissors right there. So, we've got our strip. Now we're cutting. See, like so. And we're going to hopefully do this correctly by cutting. There we go. So we have our aluminum strip. Now what we have to do now is fold it in half lengthwise so we have a thin wire. And I'm always not meticulous about folding stuff, so it's okay if it's a little off, I assume. Alright. Now, using one hand, we'll use this hand, which is my left hand. We're going to hold it against the battery pole. This is the positive end. Okay? And then using the other hand, we're going to hold it to the other end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now after 10 seconds, I'm supposed to touch the aluminum wire while continuing to hold it against my hands. And lo and behold, it is hot. You can't see it, but it is hot. Now the whole purpose of that was to say that touching the wire to the ends of the battery, it produces a path through the battery that goes through the aluminum wire. The electrons move out of the negative end of the battery, through the wire, and back to the positive end of the battery. And the movement of the electrons caused this wire, or this aluminum foil, to get hot. And that's the experiment for you. So join me never again for science activities and experiments. Thanks for watching.